Hey Fivers, my name is Rich, the SEO guy. I'm here to talk about keyword research, and I got a few questions to start. First off, would you go on a road trip without a map or some kind of GPS guidance? Secondly, would you purchase a car without test driving it first? And lastly, if you had a dripping faucet, would you allow it to drip throughout the whole night? I didn't think so. Keyword research is in many ways like a map, a test drive, and easy repair for your website. Think of it this way. There's a bunch of people searching for your solutions and products, and if you don't have the words they're looking for, then you won't be found. It's as simple as that. With my help, I'll make sure you get ranked with some of the easiest long-tail keywords you can start ranking for today. So what are you waiting for? Click order now or send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Till then, I'll catch you on the flip side.